You can own land and still face limits. The hook is modern. Airspace can constrain a nation without changing its borders. We begin with a flight map. Lines crossing countries like invisible highways. Those lines are corridors, and every corridor depends on permission. Remove that permission, and movement becomes expensive, slow, or difficult. Airspace is not just aviation. It is commerce, medical supply, electronics freight, and time-sensitive logistics. Now introduce tension, because airspace restrictions can appear fast. One announcement, and airlines reroute thousands of flights. Rerouting means fuel costs, delays, missed connections, higher freight prices, and strained schedules. That is economic pressure delivered through geometry. We show how militaries think. Air corridors are also pathways for surveillance, refueling, and rapid operations. Restrict the corridor, and you restrict the plan. Approve the corridor, and you become part of someone else's strategy, whether you admit it or not. Now, the deeper layer, neutrality becomes harder when the sky is involved. Because allowing overflight is a political signal, and refusing it is also a political signal, so airspace becomes diplomacy with radar. We trace the choke point logic. Certain regions force narrow routing, and those routes become pressure points. When crises erupt, everyone competes for safe corridors, and congestion becomes risk. Insurance rises. Airlines avoid zones and hubs lose traffic quickly. Now add the civilian dimension. Airports are trust machines. When a major hub feels unsafe, the whole region's reputation suffers. Tourism, investment, conferences, and supply contracts shift elsewhere. Airspace control becomes a test of stability. Then we end with the conclusion. Modern power is not only land control, it is permission control. The ability to approve, refuse, and shape movement without direct confrontation. The sky looks open, but it is regulated, priced, and contested. And the moment you see that, you understand why air corridors are strategic territory in everything but name. If you watch us, it means you are learning the politics hidden above your head.